Good morning, students. Today we will study the second part of superlative degree. Now, what we have to remember over here, the comparison here also is between one and a whole group, but there is a little bit of difference over here. There will be others who will be like the one compared. In the previous superlative degree sentences, the one who was compared with others was the best among all. So here it won't be exactly like the previous superlative degree sentences. There will be certain changes which we have to keep in mind. Here too, we will have two answers for every question. So now we will do the exercise and we will understand how to change the second type of superlative degree sentences. The first sentence, Bhavesh is one of the most energetic boys in the class. Now the previous superlative degree sentences we had written was Bhavesh is the most. Here we have one of the most. That means there are others who are like Bhavesh in the class. If it had been Bhavesh is the most, then there will be no one like him. Here there are others also like him. So our positive degree answer will start with very few. Very few boys in the class are as energetic as Bhavesh. This is what you have to remember. Our answer will start with very few in positive degree. And comparative degree, Bhavesh is more energetic than many other. See, I have put it in dark and italics. Here we will use many other. Bhavesh is more energetic than many other boys in the class. That is comparative degree statement. So there will be certain words that we have to remember which will differentiate between the two different types of superlative degrees. Now these words you remember so that you don't make a mistake in changing superlative degree part 2. Don't get confused with part 1 superlative degree. See what are those words. For the positive degree we will use very few, whereas in the previous part we used no other. Now we will be using very few. Then for comparative degree, we will use many other. In the previous, it was any other. Here it is many other. And the last one, the superlative, it is one of the most or est after the adjective. This is what are the words which we have to remember. That will basically differentiate between the two different types of superlative degrees. Do certain examples as our exercise. The first statement, Africa is one of the biggest continents in the world. Now, here you remember it is one of the. So, our words will go in their plural form. Continents. S is added. Previously, it was just continent in the previous superlative degree. Now, here it will be S added behind those words, and you have not to forget it, it will remain in its plural form. So this is our superlative degree. So our positive degree as stated before will start with very few. So very few continents in the world are as big as Africa. Now here we will use as and in between the adjective, because our positive degree is in its positive form, so we use as. Previous superlative degree positive degree was in its negative form, so we used so as. Over here it is as. And comparative degree sentence, Africa is bigger than many other continents in the world. That many other you have to remember. This all has been put in the previous slide in dark and in italics, and you have to remember them. Second question, Manoj is one of the most influential speakers. See, I have put S over there. Speakers in the city. So, our positive degree sentence, very few speakers are as influential as Manoj in the city. And The last answer, Manoj is more influential than many other speakers in the city. Now, the next sentence, very few persons are as rich as Ratan Tata. The first answer, Ratan Tata is richer than many other persons. And the second answer, superlative degree, Ratan Tata is one of the richest persons. Very few actors are as popular as Amitabh Bachchan. Our answer, Amitabh Bachchan is one of the most popular actors. This S you don't forget. You have to add it over there. If you forget the S, you'll get the answer wrong. And the second answer, Amitabh Bachchan is more popular than many other actors. Next question. Kaushik is faster than many other bowlers in the country. First answer, Kaushik is one of the fastest bowlers in the country. And the second answer, very few bowlers are as fast as Kaushik in the country. The next question, Chetan is lazier than many other workers in the office. First answer, very few workers are as lazy as Chetan in the office. And Chetan is one of the laziest workers in the office. So this is how we will change the superlative degree sentences. Hope you have understood all these sentences. And now these are your questions, and write everything in fair book. Remember, whatever is done over here, whatever these videos you are watching, you have to compulsorily write them in your fair book. Everything, homework also and other sentences also, everything you have to write in your fair book. So the first topic which we had studied was active and passive voice, and here this is the second topic, that is change the degree.